Hi guys, welcome back to Arm Candy. I hope you are all having a lovely weekend and enjoying the sunshine. We have this beautiful Mulberry Hayden for you guys today. It is absolutely gorgeous. The leather is so soft. It's just beautiful lamb's leather. It's just gorgeous. I'll show you the features. So you've got this top handle here. It's not adjustable, but it has these sort of accessories down the side, the kind of details down the side. You've got a flap closure that you can flick open, and then inside you've got this sort of press to fasten on a strap kind of detail when you flick that open. And then inside you've got one zip pocket. I'll unzip that for you so you can have a look. There's the zip pocket. You've got this little tag detail here as well with the code on it. And then on the other side, you've got one flat pocket as well. So it's not a very big bag, but it's got a lot going on, as in you've got a lot of space in there. I think that it's just it's a nice shoulder satchel. I like that it isn't a big bulky satchel, but it's got that satchel feel to it. I'll come back and show you the sizing. So here it is on me. I'm about 5'4" and a UK size 8 for reference. But all the exact measurements will be on the website. Condition-wise, we said the exterior condition is very good. Now, there's nothing to show you. There's no marks on it or anything like that. The reason I called it very good is because maybe you can just tell it's a pre-loved bag just due to the nature of the leather. And I thought with these little bits that kind of flick out here, I thought that sort of looks like a pre-loved bag, but there's nothing to show you and it's still in really beautiful condition. So that's why I've called it very good. Interior is absolutely excellent. There's really nothing to show you. You've got the lovely mulberry tree pattern on the inside lining, and there's nothing to show you. It's absolutely perfect. And hardware wise as well, that is also very good. This bag is in really beautiful condition. You can see that it's the brushed gold hardware there, and there is just the natural kind of scratching, but there's really nothing major at all. I think that looks just beautiful. So I've called that very good because there are a couple of noticeable scratches just there. I hope you can see, but in general, it just looks absolutely fantastic. So yeah, it's a really beautiful bag in a really beautiful condition. I'll show you what it comes with as well. So it comes with the Mulberry dust bag here, and then as well, you've got the product tag, you've got the specialist care card, and then you've got the average care card as well. So yeah, if you love this Mulberry Hayden, have a look at it on our website. We'll put the link in the description below. But before you go, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell so you get alerts when we post new videos. And as well, when you do go over to the website, make sure to sign up to the newsletter because you will get 5% off your very first Arm Candy purchase. And you can't go wrong with 5% off, can you? So yeah, hope you all have a lovely weekend, and we'll see you soon with some more Arm Candy.